Good evening, viewers. First of all, I want I want to introduce myself. I am Ian Ted Morales, enrolled in Our Lady of Fatima University. My classmate calls me Ian Ted. I'm taking up the course DSHRM or Hotel and Restaurant Management. I take this course because it makes me excited, and I know this will be for me. I found my happiness in this course. It thus makes me feel like I will be a professional chef someday. Even my classmates before in high school tried to convince me to take a marine course, but I resist to them because I am no good in that course. Mr. Jomar T. Parel, our unique professor, have teach us about many things we need to learn. I choose travel and tourism segment because I wanted to travel in every country in the world. Fulfilling my dreams can make me a better person. Someday, from a normal person, becoming a professional man. And I'm sure my professor will help me to achieve my dreams. Thank you everyone.